Okay, y'all. This is David. There's Maggie. There's Angie.
Hello.
And what we're doing the laundry room today. It's cold outside.
Cold inside.
Cold. Well, it's warm in here. Our unit's doing a good
I'm
job.
cold.
Go over Mama's side.
No, I know Mama's cold.
Alright, so we're putting this floor. This is a real interesting product. This is real porcelain tile. I thought it was ceramic, but I've read the thing on it. It is a porcelain tile. And it has a laminate back on it. And it snaps together. So before you get real excited about this now, I'm going to tell you, the company that makes it's out of business. That's how come we got it. We went to Habitat for Humanity.
Yes, Habitat for Humanity.
And they had a bunch of it.
A bunch.
We're hoping they still got some in case we're short. But goes down like a piece of cake, y'all. I mean, it goes down really good. Not unless you have a huge hump in the floor to where the floor goes together. And I got this sander, and it seems to be doing a pretty good job with it. I believe. Let's put a piece down and see, Angie. I'll give Angie the camera there. Let's see if that's going to work. No. Look here.
Still not going to work?
Look at that. See?
What's going on there?
Alright, so it's smooth here. It's smooth here, but when you get to this hump right here, so this whole thing, this got to come out. We got to grind this down a bunch. Alright, so we'll start grinding.
Oh my. Is it hurting you, Papa? Is that thing hurting you?
I may have to get a self-leveler, y'all. I don't know. Really don't want to do that. But you see, it's just high. But it feels smooth. You should feel like it.
Is it just that one spot? When you're going back, is it pretty much level when you're going back?
This piece here feels fine. Oh, like you see right there? There's no hit. It's not a seesaw until you get into that seam right there, you know? Does it do it all the way across through here?
That's what I just asked.
Oh, did you just ask it, baby? See, it's like this. It's not level there. I mean, look at that. Yeah. All right. So what's high and what's low? Is this piece here got a sink in it?
No, you're gonna tear my vacuum cleaner up.
Yeah, right here too, Angie. It's like this piece is lower, so grinding that ain't gonna fix that none. You know?
Mm-hmm.
No, that ain't fix that a bit. Yeah, that's where our week has been going, ain't it, Angie?
Mm-hmm.
Something that should have been. Well, that's low on this side here too. You know.
So what they've done is got the crown.
Yeah, on their board, their joist, they didn't
Yep.
get their crown right.
Nope. Said you left it aside. Did you drop it on the ground?
Do what?
Did you drop this on the ground outside?
Yeah, it fell when the turkeys got hold of it.
Lord, honey.
Cleaned it up a little bit.
I can tell it's got dirt all over it.
Man, that's quite a bit of gap, you know?
It didn't look that bad though. It must have got worse when you went that way because it didn't look that bad when you.
I had to fight these when I got to here.
We may just have to go back to the wood in here.
Wood eventually it'd give trouble, you know? I think.
What can you give in here then? Just that
You
stitch
do
tile?
what they call a self-leveler. You mix it up, pour it in the floor, and it will go to where it's self-leveler. It'll level up. And that may be the only way to do it, fixing it. Cause this problem, I guarantee it's up here too. I bet mine is set that way over here too. And if it is, you know it's a joist. It's a little bit, it's not as bad. This whole area right here is unlevel. It needs to come up. I have never used self-leveler. I know contractors would come in there all the time and they'd buy that stuff. Some of them buy a pallet. One old guy, he had a house that was so bad he had to buy a pallet full of it. Stuff's not cheap. It's about $30 a bag. But he swore by it. He said it works. That you just mix it up. You pour it out on the floor, and overnight it'll level the floor up where you work on it.
Well, I guess let's go get some self-leveler.
But we're gonna have to.
I'm gonna get this done so I can get my washing machine back in order and get my clothes where I can hang them up. We got everything everywhere. We've started bringing it back here.
I like to finish, but this.
So Mom could have her house back, and we've just.
This project, y'all, is gonna have to be continued.
To be continued.
To be continued. Good morning, y'all. It is Monday morning, and it is supposedly wind chill 0 degrees out here. So. I mean, it's cold, but I don't believe it's as cold as they said it's gonna be. Old garbage truck, he's up and running, going at it. Alright, let's go up and feed the goats. Goats are out, they don't seem to be bothering them none. Feed the goats. Maggie's favorite animal's the goats. She likes the goats. Alright. Alright. Give them a lot of protein. I always clean their buckets out. I'll have to wash that one. Give them plenty to eat. We got them a salt block. Look like they've been licking on it. Go get
Round 1. Round 2.
They've really gotten used to Maggie. I'm gonna tell you, Maggie tear anything up that gets around them. Let's put that on over here, maybe it'll be a little better for them. Whew, y'all, it's cold this morning. Yeah. I don't know how much longer Maggie and I stay out here. Get my hood back on. Cold, yeah. She won't butt heads with you, Maggie. She won't butt heads with you. Maggie, don't get rough. Maggie, don't get rough. Yeah. All right, let's go, Maggie. That's enough Maggie and goat time. All right. Oh, my y'all, maybe that got fence has got ice on. I can feel it. Wilbur's a good pig. Like I say, he's very gentle. I don't think he's gonna be a big pig. He would probably make somebody a good pet. I'm glad to see those getting around a lot better. They're coming along. Don't get out of my feet. Huh? Yo, what a mess. I got a lot of respect for you folks that live up north. I don't know how you, Luma and some of those folks, I don't know how y'all put up with it. You think?
No.
That is crazy, y'all.
Yeah, we're nowhere near bad as y'all are, and we're wore out by just keeping the animals watered.
Just a couple of days of it.
Yep, just a couple of days of it. Do you see those that's on the bathtub? That's pure ice. There's not even the can around them. They're containers.
Yeah. That's a mess, y'all. That is.
He's having to put them in hot water just to thaw them out enough.
And then it's cooling down.
Yep. To get the back in there.
Luckily, I had 3 rabbit ones.
We have to wash the bathtub out.
That wasn't frozen.
Yeah. What a mess.
Tub about drive me nuts.
Yeah, but it keeps leaking. We can't find the leak, so we hadn't been
Down
able
to the drip now. It's drip, drip, drip,
Yeah.
drip.
We may end up having to just yank it out and doing something
I
different.
think it's in the drain. All right. So what are we doing today? Whew. It fixing some plumbing. This tub has been just, I mean, you know what I mean. It has just been terrible. And it's leaking. It's leaked a bunch up there on the floor. And I'm about 100% sure that it's leaking. And that drain fell right on that dang joist right here. And yeah, I can see what's going on with it right from here. That dang rubber seal, whoops, get the light. That rubber seal is gone. It's not sitting in there correctly. I can see that. Probably don't even have to do a whole lot to see that. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut a bigger hole out on this side where I can see. All right, Angie. Angie. Oh, man. Huh? Run some water in there. Yeah, put the stopper in. It's flowing good here. I see if we can get this water's coming to the floor here. This seems where it runs from. Huh? Yeah, that tub ain't real thick. It's leaking around his fitting, I can tell you that. It's a leaking around his dang fitting, I can tell you that. Yeah, it's glued. It's glued, but it ain't a bad leak. I could even live with it. Dehumidifier, pull all that out. Alright, keep filling it up. It ain't leaking nothing around that drain. It's not leaking around that drain. That ain't a good thing. Keep filling it up. That gasket don't look like it's tight on this one side here. It don't look right. Yeah, turn it back on. Alright, good. Fill it on up, turn the jets on, let's see what happens. Yeah, it's gotta be in one of the jets. That ain't good. That ain't good at all. What do the cats do? Get in the bedroom? Alright, y'all, let's move you over to here. And I'm gonna cut this out a little bit more here. Alright, we're gonna finish trying to cut that out and see what we can see under there. Maybe. Oh, we got me another battery. Like I say, the biggest thing is that hoses. I guarantee that's where that thing was leaking at. It's that stupid thing here. Yeah, I'll be lucky they didn't run the wood floor. Yep. I was gonna waterproof that, all that under that tub, and we got busy and didn't do it. And I thought it was the drain. I tightened the mojo out of that drain. Whatever that means. Oh me, y'all. What a day. We was planning on doing, which we're still going to. It ain't burnt those plans yet. We was planning on working in the laundry room, trying to get the flooring down in there and get the trim down, get the shelves down to where we get moved in that laundry room. That'll really get us moved in. We're living, but we're not really moved in. But this was a minor setback. You got to have a tub. You can't have it leaking all over the floor like it's been doing. I think the drain has been leaking. I think when I tightened it up, I got that part fixed, and then this thing here must have blowed off. I don't know. It had to be loose to do that, but I don't know. We're filling it up with water. We'll find out here in a minute. I didn't bring a screwdriver. I should have, where I could have checked that hot water heater. I'm going to turn it up. That is a big old tub, y'all. It's nice. I mean, it's a really nice tub. To get old like me, you put some Epsom salt in there and soak, and gets rid of a lot of the aches and pains and joints and stuff. I don't know how it works, but it does. The only disadvantage, it dries your skin bad, but I'll live with that. I can live with that. That's water draining somewhere. Is that tub up full?
It is. It just got a little bit more of it over the jet, the top jet. Is that what you want?
Yeah, I want you to be able to turn it on.
Oh, you'll be turned on?
Yeah, as soon as it gets above them jets, yeah.
Okay.
I don't want it blowing water out everywhere. Huh?
I'll try.
Here you go, I'll FaceTime you, show you what was leaking.
Okay.
Turn it right there.
What is that?
That'd be me.
Huh?
That'd be me. I'm trying to figure out how to turn this thing.
I'm going there to see if it's probably above there right now.
Or anything on top of it. That's all I'm gonna give them that boat. Well, I'm gonna set y'all up here. I gotta. Hopefully we keep some water for tomorrow. Which tomorrow's not a watering day, but I probably have to because all their water stuff probably froze up. But I tell you what, when you have to water and feed everything, it takes a while. I still like the chicks down there. I still like them. And the hogs and the rabbits down on the south vista. So, phew. It kinked up. One of these hoses I got from Lowe's. It was a kinkless hose. Does that look like a kinkless hose? See, it's already busted where it stopped. Oh. I'm gonna take side by side up there. Woo, y'all. Like I was saying, I hope everybody weathered the storm okay. And got through it. We was very blessed that we didn't get any of that mess that they was calling for. Extremely blessed. And I know at the beginning of the week they was calling for 12 inches of snow. And then it went down to where it was ice. And then it went down to where they said it wasn't getting anything. And I will tell you that didn't hurt my feelings at all. Not at all. Glad. Got a scoop, better get a scoop. Alright. Hoping the rabbits drank all their water. So I don't have to thaw them out, but we'll see. I'll be honest, I kind of like to just be done with today, having to be out here in this mess. Alright, let's go turn that water off. Try to get that water to drain out of that hose. All is done. Y'all, hope everybody has a blessed week coming up. Again, as we always try to say here on the Vista Acres, we love you and thank you for watching.